First thing we're going to do is fluff our wreath. It's very important to get that fluffed out, just like you do with your Christmas tree, because if you don't, it's just going to look matted and it's just not going to have the size that you can make of it. Now I've decided I'm going to make my bow first. Some people do this first, some people do it last. On this particular ribbon, it is a more narrow ribbon. I'm going to make a pretty hefty bow for this, and I love this ribbon. This came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, but I think they may still have that same pattern. Make sure you dovetail your ends, and now I'm going to wire it to the wreath. Now go ahead and fluff it so that you can see how much room the bow is going to take up. And then from there, we can start adding all of our goodies. Not only do you fluff your wreath and your bow, but you also need to fluff all of the items that you're putting on it. They usually come pretty mashed down and flat because they are all in boxes. So make sure that those flowers have dimension to them. Bend the petals. Make sure that there's no creases and things, and then you can add those. Now, this type of pick in particular is one that will be very flat, have no dimension to it. Make sure you take the time to bend it, create the leaves because they're just going to be flat. Pull up the berries and separate those. Some of them do have those little squiggly wires on them. Pull those wires out a little bit. You need the dimension and the texture to really show. See what I'm doing here? I am now taking those poinsettias and trying to bend the leaves and make curve in it and make it look more real. Otherwise, it looks really flat. think it turned out beautiful. The red and the gold in these poinsettias just almost glows. It's so pretty. And I love everything looks like icicles. Thanks for watching.